Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol THLD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance are a bit easier to see. No, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice day here for the price. Price made a nice move upwards, and then most importantly, in my opinion, is the price maintained the gains. If you've been around long enough, then I'm sure you've seen stocks that gap up, but then the problem is after the gap up, the price just rolls back over, and then back down it goes. Let's try that again. My marker screwed up there, but you've seen gap up, and then it just rolls back over. However, that was not the case here. So sure, I understand that after such a big upwards move, going sideways like this, probably not the most exciting thing, but much better than the price just rolling back over again. I realize that means a little bit more to those of you that have traded for long enough to see something like that happen. So good that this price was just able to simply go sideways after the move upward. So with that being said, ideal area of support going forward. I mean, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the strongest? If the price can now stay up above 59 cents, that is by far going to be the best case scenario. Now, if the price does drop below it, I'm not saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, but preferably speaking, the price staying up above 59 cents would be a very good sign. Next level after support, or after that support, is really just more so the overall kind of trend indicator, which is that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. And the very black and white way to look at that one is as long as the price is above that purple line, bulls are in full control, bulls are in full health, however you want to visualize that. But no questions asked. Bulls are owning on the chart as long as the price remains above that line, because when you stop and think about it, this is a moving average, so it's just going to continue to draw itself like that. So it's kind of like a trend line for lazy people. It'll draw for you, and when you stop and think about, well, what does the price have to do in order to stay above that line? Well, the price itself needs to continue to increase over time, and that's what bullish moves do, and that's why I love charts. They kind of almost insult your intelligence when you look at them certain ways. Now, what about levels of resistance? For this, I want to scrunch up the chart here a little bit just to give a little bit more perspective. All right, so the price has not been up as high for a very, very long time. So with that being said, we'll just focus on the one level at this time, and I'm going to call that level up there at 64 cents. Yes, I realize technically the price has went above it on a couple occasions, but to me, that's kind of a good middle ground of this price congestion right around that 64-cent area. All in all, though, very nice day, and at the end of the day, as long as the price just keeps on putting in these higher lows like it's been doing, the chart's going to take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.